Namaskar, welcome everyone to Yoga with Heena Vaze, and I am your instructor Neha. Today is day 17th of our practice. We are following a series of daily yoga for 10 minutes and I hope you all are enjoying it. First things first, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and follow me in all my videos. Also, don't forget to press the like button if you like the video. Now, let's begin. Place your mat and comfortably sit on it. In an empty room, try to connect with yourself as much as you can. Okay? Now we will sit comfortably. I am sitting in Siddhasana. You can also sit in Siddhasana or Sukhasana, any comfortable cross-leg position. Place your hands in Jnana Mudra, first finger to your thumb tip. And we have to place them gently on our thighs. Okay? Do not touch them down like this. Place them gently on your thighs and we all will close our eyes. From this moment, try to disconnect yourself from all the chaos, everything in your mind, in your room, in your house. Just simply be present into this very moment. Relax. Calm down. Let's chant Omkar 3 times. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes and your hands. Rub your palms on your face. Hands down and relax. Welcome back to the session, everyone. And today we are going to start with supine asanas. Okay. For that, we have to lie down on our back. Gently go down on your back. Take a breath. Inhale and exhale. Now let's start with cycling motion. You can place both your hands under your hips for better support on your back and then lift both your legs up. First, let's stay here at 90 degrees. Try to press your knees as much as you can. My toes are pointing in. Keep breathing here. We are holding for at least 20 seconds, okay? Feel your blood flowing upwards. This is a very good exercise. Now from here we will start cycling. Simple motion. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and opposite. Reverse cycle. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Slowly release your hands, relax yourself. Inhale and exhale. Calm down. Now let's continue with Setu Bandhasan. Fold both your legs again and try to hold your heels. If you are not able to reach your heels today, it's okay. You can place your hands on the side. Now, once you're comfortable, lift your middle body up and stretch up. Now, press your shoulders, lock your chin to your chest and stretch as much as you can. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly down. Relax. Take a breath. We will repeat the same action. Now for this, place your hands on the side. We are going to deepen our stretch. Breathe in and lift your middle body up. And if you are comfortable here, try to lift your heels up. And interlock your fingers behind your back. Stretch and hold. Deepen your stretch as much as you can. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly heels down. Release and relax. Take a breath. Breathe in and out. Let's continue with Pavan Muktasana. Fold your right leg on your stomach. Lift your neck up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly neck down, legs straight. Left leg. Lift your neck and hold. Try to touch your nose to your knee. Slowly down, legs straight. And now both the legs together. Lift, press, and hold. Gently release and relax. Take a breath, inhale and exhale, calm down. Now we'll go for the last pose for today. Come into prone position on your stomach. Now we'll come for in Ardha Bhujanga Asana. Both the toes pointing out and shoulder level distance between your feet. Okay? Now observe my arms, my shoulder and elbow is in one line. Hands at the center, fingers are open. Back straight, head straight. And we are going to hold here for entire 1 minute. Now 1 minute is little difficult for the beginners. Okay, if you think you're not able to do it, just try to reduce your back stretch. Okay, and how you can do that? You can slightly slide your arms forward like this and lower down your stretch. Okay, continue, continue. Do not drop it. Do not lower your head like this. Let it be in line with your spine. 30 more seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now slowly come down. Place both your palms one over another, chin or forehead resting on it. Relax. Take a breath, relax yourself. Now, gently hold the hands under your shoulders, lift yourself up and go back to Shashankasana. Stay here for 5 seconds. Again, hold the hands under your shoulders, lift up, and sit in your comfortable cross-legged position. Now, always remember relaxation is as important as the entire workout. So, do not skip it, do not fast forward it, do not end the session abruptly. Okay? Place your one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly, and gently close your eyes. Inhale and exhale, calm down. Let's join our hands and chant one Omkar with three Shantis all together. Breathe in. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms, cup your eyes, open your eyes in your hands, rub your palms on your face, on your body. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the session and you are enjoying the series. Please don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. And if you like the video, don't forget to press the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.